गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। लास्ट लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने एरर एनालिसिस देखा था, जिसमें हम लोग स्टैटिक एरर कोएफिशिएंट्स फाइंड आउट कर रहे थे ना। एरर एनालिसिस का सेकंड पार्ट जो है, दैट इज डायनामिक एरर कोएफिशिएंट्स और जनरलाइज्ड एरर कोएफिशिएंट्स। Let me draw the boundary first. Hmm. Dynamic error coefficients or generalized error coefficients, right? So our ES over RS is equal to 1 over 1 plus GS HS. 1 over 1 plus GS HS, and if I can write it as A naught plus A1S plus A2S square plus divided by B naught plus B1S plus B2S square and so on, and again if it can be written as K naught plus K1S plus K2S square. If I can write ES over RS, which is in the form of this, and if I can write it as K naught plus K1S plus K2S square up to nth term, then 1 over K naught, 1 over K1, 1 over K2, these will be the dynamic error coefficients. Then 1 over K naught, 1 over K1, 1 over K2 will be the dynamic error coefficients. ES in this case will be K naught RS, K1S RS, K2S square RS, and so on. And if I find ET, then ET will be K naught RT plus K1. What will be SRS? SRS will be Laplace of first derivative of RT, means R dot T plus k2 here s square double derivative r double dot t and so on, right? And ess again will be equal to limit t tends to infinity et, or from final value theorem limit s tends to 0 s es, limit s tends to 0 s es. This is our steady state error, right? For example, for example, let us take this example as find the dynamic error coefficients of the unity feedback system whose forward part transfer function is gs is equal to 200 divided by s plus 5. Find the steady state error of the system for the input four t square, for the input 4t square, right? Now let us solve this question. We have given gs of a unity feedback system, therefore gshs will be gs, that is 200 divided by s plus 5, or 200 divided by s square plus 5s, and es over rs I can write as 1 over 1 plus gshs, right? So 1 over 1 plus 200 divided by s square plus 5s, which is equal to s square plus 5s divided by s square plus 5s plus 200, right? And now I have to write it as k naught plus k1s square, k1s plus k2s square plus up to nth term right? So for this purpose, we have to divide this uh, ES over RS by using polynomial division, right? So think about it. If I divide this numerator with this denominator in the same as it looks, same format as it looks, can I find this value? Let's try. S square plus 5s plus 200, s square plus 5s. Now divide. First, I will divide, the value will be 1, and s square plus 5s plus 200 minus minus minus. Here I am getting 200. Now if I divide this, what will be the value? The value will be s power minus 2 divided by 200. Means I am getting 1 plus s inverse plus s power minus 2 plus s power minus 3, but I want to write it in the form k0 plus k1s plus, means I am getting negative powers of s by dividing directly this numerator with this denominator, but my goal is to find the polynomial in the positive power of s. So for this purpose, we have to just manipulate this ES over RS as 5s plus s square divided by 200 plus 5s plus s square. Now if I divide this term, then 200 plus 5s plus s square, here 5s plus s square, what will be the first value? First value will be 5 by 200 s, 5 by 200 s, and here I am getting 5s plus 25 by 200 s square plus 5 by 200 s cube minus minus minus. Here I'll have the value 175 by 200 s square minus 5 by 200 s cube. The next value will be, I am writing it here, 5 by 200 s. Next value, what will be the next value? Plus 175 by 40,000. 175 by 40,000 s square, right? 175 by 40,000 s square, and similarly after dividing I get ES over RS as 0.025 plus 0.004375 s square plus minus 0.0000218 S4 and so on, right, and so on. So first part is find the dynamic error coefficients. So what will be dynamic error coefficients? K naught or K1. K1 will be 1 over 0.025. K2 will be 1 over 0.004375. K3 will be minus 1 over 0.0000218, right? And ESS, what will be our ESS? So for ESS, first find ES, and for ES I have to find out RS. What will be RS? For 4T square, RS will be 8 by S cube, 8 by S cube, right? So I can find ES as K naught तो 0 है, K1 या 8K1 by S cube, S square plus K2 S square, so 8K2 by S, and next plus, if I find K3, so 8K3, this will be our ES, right? This will be our ES, and if I find ET, what will be ET? ET will be, in this case, K1 R dot T. So here I have RT. What will be R dot T? R dot T will be 8T plus R double dot T. What will be R double dot T? This will be 8, right? And obviously RT is equal to 4T square, right? So in this case, I find the value here. ET will be K1 into 8T, so 8K1T plus 8K2. This is our ET, and ESS will be limit T tends to 0, T tends to infinity ET, right? Limit T tends to infinity ET is our steady state error. Let us take one more example. Find the dynamic error coefficients of the unity feedback system whose forward path transfer function is given as GS is equal to 10 over S plus 1. Find the steady state error to the input RT is equal to P naught plus P1T plus P2T square, right? Now, again, first of all, I'll have to find out ES over RS, and what will be ES over RS? 1 over 1 plus GS, and this will become S square plus S divided by S square plus S plus 10, and after polynomial division S plus S square 10 plus S square, first value will be 10S, sorry, S over 10 0.1, so this will be S plus 0.1 S square plus 0.1 S cube, 0.9 S square minus 0.1 S cube. Now plus 0.09 S square, this will be 0.9 S square plus 0.09 S cube plus 0.09 S4 minus minus minus, this will be minus 0.19 S cube minus 0.09 S4, and next value will be minus 0.019 S cube, so this will be, and this division will end up at infinity. So let us take these three values only. So from here, if I write it as k naught plus k1s plus k2s square plus k3s cube and so on, then I am having k1 is equal to 1 over 0.1, means 10, k2 is equal to 1 over 0.09, which is equal to 100 over 9, k3 is equal to 1 minus 1 over 0.019, which is equal to minus 1000 over 19. RT I am having P naught plus P1T plus P2T square. So R dot T will be P1 plus 2P2T, and R double dot T will be 2P2, right? So ET will be K naught RT plus K1 R dot T plus K2 R double dot T plus K3 R triple dot T, and so on. So K naught is 0, so this term is 0. I am having K1 R dot T is P1 plus 2P2T plus K2 R double dot T is 2P2, and R triple dot 3 is 0, therefore all the values are next to 0. So this is our ET, and ESS will be limit t tends to infinity ET. Limit t tends to infinity ET, right? So this is end up to error analysis, not error analysis, up to dynamic error coefficients. Dynamic error coefficients. Now effect of feedback on time constant of a control system. And this topic I will cover in the next lecture, right? In the next video. So have a nice day till then. Bye.